How to avoid common mistakes in Sonic Rumble. First of all, open the game on your device and tap on play. Understanding the layout, controls, and objectives is the first step to avoiding mistakes. One common mistake is neglecting to collect rings and rewards during races and missions. Always focus on gathering as many rings as possible, as they help upgrade your characters and unlock new items. Another mistake is ignoring character abilities and upgrades. Make sure to level up your characters and utilize their special skills to gain an advantage in races and challenges. Many players also rush through races without planning their moves, leading to missed jumps, falling into traps, or hitting obstacles. Take your time to learn the track patterns, time your jumps, and react quickly to obstacles for better performance. Avoid skipping events or daily challenges as they often provide exclusive rewards and help progress your characters faster. Another key mistake is playing with a weak or unstable internet connection, which can lead to lag and affect your gameplay. Always ensure a stable server connection to prevent interruptions and avoid losing progress. Finally, not experimenting with controls or layouts can make gameplay harder. Customize your controls for a comfortable and responsive experience. By avoiding these common mistakes, you will maximize your rewards, improve your performance, and enjoy Sonic Rumble to the fullest. Now you know how to avoid common mistakes in Sonic Rumble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.